The San Antonio ISD Board of Trustees has called for a $1.3 billion bond election that will include two separate propositions on the ballot in the November 3, 2020 election. Proposition A would go towards school renovations, and Proposition B would be for technology. Taxpayers would not see a tax rate increase as a result of the bond based on district projections. Proposition A totals $1.2 billion and would cover significant renovations and upgrades to 36 SAISD campuses. That includes 21 schools whose main buildings have not been fully renovated in more than 50 years, and most have 30-year-old infrastructure. The other 15 schools under Proposition A would get funds for the final phase of work that began with partial renovations under Bond 2016 or Bond 2010. These campuses would receive renovations to areas that were not renovated in past bonds, such as fine arts and athletic facilities. In addition to renovating and upgrading the 36 campuses, all schools would receive security upgrades with interior and exterior cameras under Proposition A. The district would also replace air conditioning chillers that are more than 15 years old, benefiting another 30 campuses. Proposition B totals $90 million and would fund new technology in our schools. Technology upgrades in every classroom would provide high-speed connectivity, individual devices, support tools, interactive smartboards, and audio systems. So what would the bond mean to your taxes? If the two propositions are approved, taxpayers would not see an increase to the tax rate from the bonds based on district projections. A few combined factors have put SAISD in a position to issue the bonds without having to raise the district's total tax rate. Those factors include continued downtown development, the paying down of debt, and low interest rates. To avoid any confusion, we want taxpayers to know that in 2019, the Texas legislature passed legislation requiring the ballots for all school bond elections to include a sentence that states, "This is a property tax increase." The sentence is required even if no actual tax rate increase will occur. For the SAISD Bond 2020, taxpayers would not see an increase to the tax rate from the bond based on district projections if voters approve the two bond propositions on the November 3rd ballot. No increase in the total tax rate is anticipated to pay off bonds associated with these propositions. You will find the two bond propositions on the November 3rd ballot listed as Proposition A and Proposition B under the San Antonio ISD section of your ballot. Early voting runs October 13 through October 30th. Find more information about Bond 2020 at www.saisd.net/bond2020.